for the further classes will be put in the YouTube, and whenever students are unable to attend the classes due to their busy schedules, they can refer the classes from there. And you can, if you have any doubt, you can come into the classes and you can ask the questions. Otherwise, you can send WhatsApp me, sir, this is the problem. Whatever you have briefed in that class, I was unable to understand in this line of code, and I can give support. It doesn't matter. Okay. And Friday, actually, I was unable to class. Why? Because my fiber net was not able to, I was unable to, my fiber net was not functioning on Friday. And that's why I have sent the message to all of you through the social media. Okay. And I think it was restored at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, it was 9 p.m. So that moment, if I want to start the class, no, so already I have sent the message to all of you today due to I was unable to get the fiber net by my mobile 4G network Geo. It is not working well here. It's low signal. On that low signal, Zoom server can't be run. Okay, Zoom servers, Zoom apps. So, but I have given the message to you, but still I will record the class. Still I have conducted the class, but you wouldn't be able to, students can't be able to connect with me. Okay. On standalone mode, I have recorded the classes and kept on YouTube. Okay. So, okay, now come to the class. Okay, these are very free classes. Anybody can attend these classes. These classes will be taught to you up to my last breath of the life. And as I told you that I spent 30 years in the army as a technical engineer, I want to give support to especially enhance the software engineers in the society. I want to reach to rural of India throughout the total India, rural to rural. I want to give support to the students. Whomever very much desirous, they can attend my classes. Okay. And develop your programming skills. Okay. Without the laptop, you can write the coding in the mobile. I told you that no need of mobile, no need of laptop. We can do code practicing in the mobile. So many apps which are support and Android apps. Okay, for Python, Java, C, and C++, you can write the coding, efficient coding in the mobile. Okay, now and okay, now come to the point. In the previous sessions, we tried to understand Lambda expression in Java. Okay, today we will try some more applications of Lambda expressions. Okay, first of all, comment here, single line comment for 2 forward slashes, Lambda expression applications. Okay, today we will try to some more applications which are related with the Lambda expression. As I told you that Lambda expression, it is a unnamed, anonymous function. Okay, unnamed function, and it will be used for different purposes. One is that I told you that it will be used with functional interface. Okay, functional interface, and functional interface is what, which is having only one method, which is having only abstract method. Okay, we can today we will deeply study about how to this Lambda expression will be used with functional interface. Interface is nothing but it is a abstract class which will be used to achieve abstraction. So if interface has only one abstract method, that is called functional interface. Okay, and in the previous classes, one more application that is it is used along with, it is also used along with collection object, also used along with collection of objects. Okay, collection of objects like what, array list. Practically, I have told you how to use this linked list. Okay, linked list, etc. Okay, etc. means collection objects. What you know in Python, collection list, tuple, set, dictionary. They will hold so many different type of values. They will be used in Python. Here in Java, array list, linked list, arrays, they are called, they will hold many values. Okay, many values. That's why they are called, it is one type of list. Okay, so interface. This is what your lambda expression that will be used along with also in array list. Practically, we have done somewhat examples in previous class. Okay. So now today I'm going to implement this lambda expression with functional interface. Okay, lambda expression with the functional interface. Okay, first of all, before going to that, first of all, write a program in interface. First of all, through interface. So ever my file is lambda underscore apps dot java. So this class name, main class name must be as lambda. Okay, lambda underscore apps. Okay, this is like this. My file name must be class name lambda underscore apps. Okay, now come to, I am going to implement first of all interface to achieve the abstraction. After that, lambda expression will be, it is used to short the code. Main purpose is what? To short the code. Okay, to short the code. Lambda expression mostly used to short the code, means your code will be shorted. Less code can be, we can write the less code. Okay, in rather than to write lengthy code, we can write shorting the code. Okay, next here okay, no, okay, so implementing, first of all try to implementing, okay, implementing of interface, implementing of lambda. First we will try to understand implementing of lambda without implementing of interface without lambda expression. Okay, first of all, after that we will try to understand without lambda. First of all, we need to implement the interface, and in previous class I explained. However, I need to come to here to explain interface one more again. After that, first of all, I need to implement interface without lambda, then lambda to be implemented. Okay, that is the today's class, and then somewhat applications I will explain. So first of all, implement this to create what one
ముగ్గురే ఉన్నారా
interface animal. That is what interface animal. Okay, it is what interface is a class, abstract class. Here no need to write abstract keyword. By default, interface is a abstract class. After the class name, next you need to keep the braces here. Okay, flower braces. Now within the braces, you need to write one method. As I told you that, which is having abstract method, which is having only one abstract method, that is called functional interface. So here I am going to explain one abstract method, that is called public void. Void means this method will not return any return type, and then method name. So you can take any method name. Normally animals make sound, so that method name sound. Okay, so now here, after that, every method or function, they will be suffixed with the brackets. That is very important. These brackets will be called as parentheses. So in programming, the small elements, brackets, flower braces, this semicolon, colon, they are called tokens. Tokens, what you know, tokens means small elements, tokens, small elements which support the program. Small elements which support the program. Okay, support the coding. Okay, coding means programming. Okay, small elements. Okay, coding, remove this. Okay, now come down. This is the abstract method. So why it is called abstract method? Comment here. This is abstract method comment. Why abstract method? It doesn't have a body. It doesn't have a body. Body means, I will explain that, have a body. Okay, so this method I told you that method always must be suffixed with the brackets, means parenthesis. Why it is giving error, it is to be terminated with the semicolon. Okay, now. So this is public method and its void means it will not return any return type. Okay, and method name. Okay, now it doesn't have a body, means here I will not return any line of code. Only method is declared. Only method is declared. So method name is sound. If I write any instructions or statements, now your method is defined. We can say that, but it is kept as empty. Now, because now actually interface, the class, interface class, it can't be used to create an object. The object will be created by implemented class, another class. So I am going to implement a class implements, class, you need to take class name. Okay, class animal, cat is a, cat is animal. Okay, now it implements, okay, animal. We need to write the code like this. Okay, after that, what happened? Now, under this class animal class, what is that? Cat class. Now, cat class what? It implements animal class. Okay. So, animal class is the your parent class. It becomes what? And cat class becomes what? Child class. In Java, it is called subclass. Okay. Now, here the body for this abstract method will be provided within this class. So now same public, okay, void sound. Okay, now you accept this one. Okay, you remove this. Now the body body for abstract method will be provided here. Okay, provided here. Okay, now come down. So here there's no any body, that body will be provided here. So body is what right now somewhat system dot out dot println. Okay, println bracket, within that bracket put any type of ones comments, that is comments, cat meows. Cat, what is the sound of cat? Cat meows. Okay, so now this is a string which is kept in double quotation marks. In Java, always the string type of data will be kept in double quotation marks, but in Python, string will be kept in either single quotation or double quotation marks. Okay, now why it is giving error? System dot out, let us see, system dot out println is okay. Now sound, okay, no issue. So why this is what? Because here this is wrong. Okay, because this is a method must have the braces. Okay, open brace and close brace, open brace and close brace. Now try to understand. This is error because every line of instruction in Java to be terminated with the semicolon. Now what happened? Try to understand. One interface abstract class, by default interface is the abstract class to achieve abstraction in Java. So this is an abstract method. It doesn't have a body. That body will be provided by your implemented class, that is cat. Okay, the body here, same method I have declared here. Now within this line of statement, this I have kept here. Now this class, interface class opened, closed. It has a abstract method. Now one more class opened, and within that one body method declared within this one statement defined. Now your class and method both are finished, closed. Now come to the this main class and main. This is your main class. Now main class. Okay, now this is your main method. Main class name I have changed. Now here you need to, as I told you, that this animal class can't be used to create the object. So object will be created by the this implemented class. So we will create the object for the implemented class. The class name is equal to cat. Cat syntax, cat object name. Anything you can keep your object name like me, Vasu, X, Y, Z. This is object name. So is equal to now new keyword. This is the syntax already VS Code IDE, whatever I am using, it is supported me. So now this is the object created for this what? This class. This interface animal class can't be used to create the object. So I will create the object for the subclass, child class. By that object, I will access this method. Okay. So now here, call the method as object name, that is obj dot. What is the object method name? Sound. So always the method will be called with this word your sound. Okay, method will be suffixed with then. Okay, now every line of instruction will be terminated with the semicolon. These small elements called tokens. Okay, these. Okay, now your code is completed. You try to compile this code. What happened now let us check that if there is any error, we need to, as a programmer, fix them as a programmer. That is very important. Now here, now what is getting here? So here it is executed. Your code is executed. This is the first line. That is the default. Whenever programming at the starting, this is the default. I have not written, but the default it will come. But whatever the code after that, it is my result. Cat meows. So result, your code is executed. So first of all, I want to explain what here. This is what some type of implementation of interface. Interface class used to get abstraction in Java. So in previous Friday classes, same thing I have explained. I put in YouTube. You try to go there and check back that what I have. What about the abstraction and what is interface? Again, I am briefing because here I need to implement this Lambda expression along with the functional interface. Functional interface means interface which is having only one method, abstract method. That's why it is called functional interface. Comment here. It is functional interface. Okay. Now it is this interface becomes functional interface because it has only one abstract method. Now, but within this, I need to implement this Lambda expression to short the code. Means this code will be shorted. I will explain this total line, this line of code will be omitted. No need to be used that. We will use short code. Some within 3 lines of code. This means this we will get that output. Okay, we will get this output. What is this? Cat mews. Okay, so now come down. I'm going to implement this total code. I want to short this code. Okay, how I am going to short this code? Try to understand. First of all, you keep this on comment section. Comment section means first of all / and star. Okay, and you total this code star /. So what happened? This total code put in comment section. This code will not be read by your Java compiler. Okay. Now one interface class name and abstract method. So this code no use. Okay. I am going to short the code. So now in your main class, you come down rather than to create the object to the cat, because here there is no any implemented class here. There is no any implemented class here. So you keep this also in what comment section. Okay. Now come down. I'm going to now this total code is, so this total code is omitted. This line of code is omitted. As I told you, this is your default instruction, default statement. Whether you want to keep it or no, it doesn't matter as per your choice. Okay. Normally, whenever your any app is opened, file is opened, it will come. Okay, by default. Okay, now I'm going to write the code like what if there is no any class, only animal class is there. So now I will create the object for the animal class. Animal class, same object name. Okay, obj. Take any object name, anything, xyz. My name, you can take somebody else, Sham. You can keep Sham as an object. There's no any. Okay. Otherwise, keep as name as Jaya as an object. It doesn't mean me, Vasu. Anything you can keep Vasu. Jaya is an object. Doesn't matter. So Jaya for what? Jaya is an object for class. Okay. So, but it is animal class. So no need to keep human beings name, that will keep somewhat awkward. So animal class object somewhat, suppose X, nothing. Okay. You keep what? So now what happened? This is an object. So as syntax, new and animal class again, animal class again. So after that, braces, brackets, and terminate with the semicolon. Okay. Now object is created for, this is the object created for animal class. Okay. Now here I'm going to write short the code here. Okay, short the code means try to understand like this. Now for this here, within this, where is that? This is the abstract method, na? So here implemented class, within the implemented class, this body has been provided here. Now within this body, okay, I will create the same method. Public void. This method is void, not no any return type. Okay, you accept this one. Now within this method, you provide this. Where is this system dot out cat meows? You copy this one. You provide. Okay, here you paste here. So now what happened? Try to understand. Now this body for abstract method will be provided here. Okay, this is the, where is that abstract method? This is the abstract method. No any implementation. That is what implemented class here. That is totally put in comment section. Simply under the main method, object created for animal class rather than object creating for implemented class. Now within this, okay, this method was called within the method. This defined line, that is what your statement. Okay, now what happened? This is the what, two braces here. So one more brace I need to close here, na? So now this is what it is closed. Now close with the two flower braces. Why? Because this is one brace, this is one brace, close. Then after you terminate this one. Okay, with the semicolon. Now it is okay. Now then after call that method. What is that method? Sound. Okay. So that method sound with the help of the object. What is that object name? X. So here call that method with the X. X dot sound. Okay. Method terminate with the, suffix it with the braces, then colon. Okay. Now what happened? It is okay now. This is okay. Now this is, you remove this one. Okay. Now these two braces for your main class. This is main class and this is for main method. This is for main class. So now I have omitted this line of code. I have omitted this line of code. Okay. Simply I have created the object for the animal. Within that object, okay, that body for this abstract method, I have created the body for here. And after that same, that method was called. Same here. Okay. So now try to implement this. Okay. After that, if it is executed, it is executed. So it is executed cat meows. What is the sound of cat? Now here cat, rather than to write the cat, you write that animal. Okay, animal meows means you can simply understand who meows, cat. Okay, so this is what implementation of what without lambda expression. Okay, functional interface implemented without lambda expression. So without lambda expression, functional interface means omitted the somewhat code. Okay. Now how to use lambda expression? So our means your code will be uh, short, will be more shorted now. I will explain. So within this code, try to understand. I'm going to short this code here. As in the previous section, lambda expression, I told you that what is lambda, what is the syntax for lambda expression. So first of all, let me say that. So first of all, this is the syntax. Okay, syntax of lambda expression in Java. This is what, and then one that is token. Okay, token. This is the token. Then after braces, flower braces. Huh? Okay, this is the syntax for lambda expression in Java. So very simple. Huh? So this is what, within this we will keep some parameters, arguments. Okay, and then the body will be defined within these flower braces. So body and arguments will be connected with this token. I told you the token is nothing but a small element which will support in writing the coding. Okay, as I told you that this brace, this forward slash star, small element, this semicolon, somewhere colon, somewhere plus, somewhere these small elements which support in programming, they are called as what, tokens. So this is the syntax. Okay, this is called zero parameter. Zero parameter, other no parameter, no parameter. Okay, no parameter lambda expression. No parameter means if you will not pass any value here, so it is no parameter. If you pass any value, suppose a, one parameter. If you pass two parameters, a comma b, two parameters we have passed. So two parameter like that. Okay. So try to understand. The same will be implemented to short the code here. Okay. So how now here I'm going to implement lambda expression. How to write the code? First of all, you come down here. Okay. So where should I write the code? That is very important. Okay. Okay. Now you do one thing which is very useful to. We will keep this one total understand. Okay. Now you keep this under comment section. Okay. It is also now this line of code star. Okay. Now. Okay. You copy, you put all this in comment section. Okay, this is written for implemented class. Here implemented class along with. Okay, so if I put this comment section, this line of code put on. So whenever I want to short this code, I have written this. Now total code being short like this. See, for this animal class, animal, within the 10 minutes we will go complete this. Okay, in first period, and second period we will discuss same somewhat another matter which is related with the that is what your lambda expression. So animal and then x is an object is equal to, now same this where is that, this type of, okay, lambda expression. So here use the brackets. Okay, bracket means what, and then token. Token is what, dash, and then greater than. Where is the, this is greater than, and then body. Body is what, this is body, except. Now this is the syntax I have written for the lambda expression. Now within this body we will provide the word this animal meows. Copy, within this body you paste here. Okay, you paste. Where is that? You copy this one, you copy, and within this body you paste here. Okay, now, okay, now what happened, try to understand. Okay, now what happened, this is your lambda expression. Okay, within this lambda expression, as I told you that This is what zero parameter. If you have not passed anything, this is the token within the body. This I have put this statement. So now after that you come. Okay. Now it is to be terminated. It is terminated. Then you need to put how many braces? Two braces. One more brace. Flower brace. Okay. Two more braces I have kept here. I will explain two more braces why. Okay. Now, okay, this is to be this. Okay, I will come down. I will call them here after the termination. Okay. Now call that method. X is equal to sound. X dot sound. Okay. X dot sound. Now after that, how many braces we need to keep? Two more braces. Where is the two more braces? Where is that two more braces? These are, you keep these two more braces here. Okay. Okay. Now this is the code I have written. Short the code. Simply how many lines? Two lines, one your main class. Okay, this is the interface, two lines, one abstract method under the main class, main method, this line of code. So now let us check that whether the code will be executed or not. First of all, let me check that whether I have written the proper code or not. Okay. So this is what animal X is okay, body, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. Now system dot out println animal news, this is terminated, this is terminated. After that, one remove one brace. That is what that's why it's giving error. Why? I will explain why. After that, X dot, this is okay, two braces. Okay. Now try to understand what happened here. Here your class is okay, interface class, one brace, one method has no brace. Now it is closed. Main class and the main method, two braces. Here, this is what your lambda expression. Okay, the lambda expression will be used here. So open brace. Okay, under the statement is here. Okay, now this is closed. Now it's closed. Now method called. After that, two braces. One is for your main class, and your main method. So now you compile this code. Now you are getting animal news. So same result I have achieved by here. I want to comment here implementation. Okay, of lambda expression with the implementation of lambda expression in functional interface with the functional interface. How? Try to understand implementation of lambda expression. See, lambda expression, this is the simple lambda expression. Okay, arguments, token, body. Okay, within that created for what? This statement, I have called this statement, okay, without calling of the method. So without, this is the method, na? So this is what your abstract method without any body, that body created in implemented class first. Okay, that was omitted. Okay, I have left that. After that, I come to here. Okay, I created somewhat, that is what here that method called. Okay, I tried to short the code. Second, that option also I left. Simply now implemented, I have implemented what? Your lambda expression. Within this lambda expression, without calling of the method. Okay, without, just I have implement within this body. Okay, this is the statement, print statement. Okay, now your that method called with the object name without the method. Okay, so it is called what? Lambda expression implemented in functional interface. What do you mean by functional interface? Means that interface which has only one abstract method. That is called functional interface. So within, I think, 2 or 3 minutes, class will be terminated. You click on the same link and you come to the second period. Okay. Don't I stay in the class. I will explain the remaining. 2 periods will be conducted up to 9:20. Okay. So this I will explain in detailed wise how it is happened. Okay. So now, suppose this is up to okay. Now, if I want to implement the from starting, suppose one interface class created with abstract method. Abstract method has no any body. The body will be provided here. So you need to. So you first you this total you keep in comment section. What is that uh, your what is that your lambda expression, you keep it that in comment. Okay, now this total code put in comment. Now if you want to open your implemented class lengthy code, so you need to open this one. Okay, now you open this one. Now what happened, this total code your becomes lengthy code. You need to understand both that. Na? So now what happened? Now this is abstract method. That method is it has no body. Body provided here with another class created. That is a child class. That is part of your animal class. Animal class becomes your main parent class. So here a method overriding occurs. Method overriding. Method overriding. Method overriding means what? Overriding means what happened? Method overriding means if any parent class has whatever the method, this is the parent class, suppose it has a method, the same method will be the another class has the same method with the same parameters. Parameters means here in this method, if I have written any parameter int x, int a, int a is a parameter. Okay, it is a parameter passed in method. So now method overriding, we can't say that method overriding achieved, because I told you that if a parent class has a method, the same method with the same parameters, if you apply in your child class, so then it is called method overriding. But here parameter is there. So if the parameter is here, you need to pass the parameter here in A. Okay. But I need not here. So remove this one. So now method overriding, we can say that simply same with same method name declared in your parent class, the same method declared in your child class. Child class is cat, because this object can't be created for the interface class. So here method declared and body is provided here. Okay, now it is closed. Now what I did here object created for your what your you remove this. Okay, you remove this. Okay, now